Also condemned it, that was, it was wrong to murder anybody, to burn anybody. I said it. I think Mrs. Supriya Sule did not understand that. I said what was the reasons for the motivating factor, that only I explained. Thank you, sir.
माननीय सदस्य, I request member to ask clarification question only. डिबेट लंबा भाषण क्या है, पूछे, आप कोई क्लेरिफिकेशन करना हो तो पूछ ले, जवाब दे देंगे लास्ट में मंत्री जी आपकी क्वेरी का। विसेंट पाला जी,
Thank you, sir. Sir, I am here to oppose the bill. Sir, this bill is totally a multi-pronged attack on the civil societies, minorities, to silence the voice of voiceless and to suppress the power of the powerless. Sir, number one, we have the section 8 to reduce the administrative power from 50% to 20%. Sir, this is not possible. For common NGOs is possible where they have the existing infrastructure, but NGOs like minorities, Christians, where they have to use new officers, they have to have salaries, they have to have conveyance. So this is not possible. Therefore, I request the Minister to withdraw this section. Sir, and the section 12A which have been inserted, like to use the Aadhaar card. Sir, in a state like Meghalaya and other states of the Northeast, the Aadhaar card is not fully implemented. So this is nothing but for harassment and corruption from the government department. Sir, number 3, the FCRA account has to be opened only in Delhi. Why it has to be opened in Delhi? Why only in State Bank? Why not in other parts of the country? People like in the Northeast were very far, and the South, and in the other parts of the country, with the latest technology, I think we can use it, and this nothing but is harassment. So this bill is totally against the Christians, against the minorities. So I request the Minister to withdraw the bill. And another very important point is that why the money which we have given cannot be transferred to any other. For example, when you make a report, there are 50 small NGOs and the report will be one. When they sanction it, the money has to come from one main NGOs to other implementing agencies. So it is not possible for not transferring to other bodies. Therefore, whatever provision here in this bill is nothing but to stop the FCRA to harass the minorities. Therefore, I request the Minister, the government, to withdraw the bill. Because in one side you say ease of doing business, in the other side you say more FDI, whereas for the minorities and the Christians you are harassing them. So this government is not to help the people, this government is not for employment, this government is not for the rural, but this government only for sections of people. Therefore, I think this bill does not deserve to be here. I request the government to withdraw the bill. Thank you, sir.